Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of 23rd April 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC. First question. How many rupees is provided by government to Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech to boost vaccine production? Answer 4500 crore. The government on Monday decided to offer an advance of over 4,500 crore to Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech to help boost vaccine production in the country. Second question. What is the rank of India in World Press Freedom Index 2021? Answer 142nd. India has dropped 2 places on Global Press Freedom Index to be ranked 142nd out of 180 countries in the annual Reporters Without Borders analysis released on Tuesday. Third question. What was the name of the present president of Chad who died recently? Answer Idris Deby. Fourth question. Which country has launched its first ever mega food park and food processing unit in India? Answer Italy. The mega food park project between India and Italy is the first Indian Italian food park project as an initiative in the food processing field. Fifth question. When is Earth Day celebrated in every year? Answer April 22nd. Most important days of this month. April 4th, Mind Awareness Day. April 7th, World Health Day. April 13th, Jallianwala Bagh Day. April 14th, Ambedkar Jayanti. April 22, Earth Day. April 23, English Language Day. Sixth question. What is the theme of Earth Day 2021? Answer Restore Our Earth. The theme of this year Restore Our Earth and its focus on natural process, emerging green technologies and innovative thinking that can restore the world's ecosystems. Seventh question. Which state gives ambulance status for all oxygen carrying vehicles recently? Answer Assam. Now, for the coming 1 year, the vehicles involved in transportation of oxygen to the hospitals will be equivalent for ambulances. The state government issued the orders on Monday. Eighth question. Who is the 68th Grand Master of India, which was revealed recently? Answer Arjun Kalyan. Ninth question. Who was the father of Indian banking reforms who was passed away recently? Answer M. Narasimham. 10th question. Which nation has added India to its travel red list? Answer UK. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom has added India to its travel red list after a sudden spike in corona cases in the country. 11th question. Which organization extracts breathable oxygen from thin Martian air which was found recently? Answer NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Agency. 12th question. Who scripts the history as the first Indian American to be US Associate Attorney General? Answer Vanitha Gupta. Vanitha Gupta is American civil rights attorney. She is president as and chief executive officer of Leadership Conference on Civil and Human Rights. 13th question. Which state's largest government hospital has decided to commission their own oxygen generating plant? Answer: Maharashtra. 14th question. What is the name of the Islamic scholar and Padma Bhushan awardee who passed away recently? Answer: Maulana Wahiduddin. Maulana Wahiduddin Khan, well known as Islamic scholar, died of COVID-19 on Thursday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed sadness over the death of Maulana Wahiduddin Khan. 15th question. Which country reports the world's highest single day spike of COVID 19 cases? Answer: India.